अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम हाजिर हुए हैं एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ। और एक इस्त्री जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं हमने खोल के रखी हुई है अपनी टेबल पर और हम इसको अब रिपेयर करेंगे। तो इस इस्त्री को हमने टोटल खोल दिया है और आपके सामने मौजूद है। इसका मसला क्या आ रहा है दोस्तों, इसमें प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही है कि इसका ये ऑटोमेटिक ख़राब है। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि ये जला हुआ है। अब हम ये चेंज करेंगे ऑटोमेटिक को। तो इसमें ये दो पेज लगे हुए हैं, इन दो पेजों से खोलकर हम इसको चेंज करेंगे। तो आप हमारे साथ रहिएगा।
Good evening, viewers. Today our topic is iron repairing. This viewers, now I start the main point. This thermopole, it's called the automatic. This is out of order actually. Now I want to change this one because now remove this and new fix here. And this thermopole, thermostat and automatic company is a very nice power company, and a very durable. Inside have a this silver. This silver is a very durable. Maybe the life is a long. Excellency viewers, now I putting here in original place this thermostat, and it's called the automatic also. Both name. Now you check original position, but now this now the new one I fix here in previous place, same size. Screw is tight now. All now I put here the is a weight. This is weight. Now you can now you can see this is controller of the heat controller, like hot and less than. This weight fix here with the help of the screw. The 3 screw use here, and this screw now I tied with the by hand manually, because not use the drill machine here anything. Now you see now I fix here the cover. You can see is a system. Now you check is the original place now properly fixed. Okay, now I put the handle means this control itself. I final touch. I now put the screw in the original position. Now this handle is already tight. Now handle is a fix and very strong. No any area is open. This is a cable and this is shoe already. Now I touch fix here. This is a positive and this negative, and this is light. Then I use the iron. If this light is on, this bulb is a shine. Okay, and also this is automatic. Then automatic working. This bulb is give you shine, and understand this. Now the element is hot. Now automatically close, automatically shine. Finally, now I start. Now finally I wind up this final touch with this cable in original position. And please you like this video and also share this video and subscribe this one. I am very thankful to you if you in my favor. Okay, maybe I do mistake, but you forgive my all mistakes, errors, everything. Okay, goodbye. I see you next time with a new video and related the electric sector. Allah Hafiz. Bye.